National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Grenby County in northeast Illinois, northwestern Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, western Will County in northeast Illinois, until 1 o'clock p.m. At 12:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mazan and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Braceville and Coal City around 12:20 p.m. Wilmington and Braidwood around 12:25 p.m. Elwood around 12:35 p.m. Manhattan around 12:40 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Gutley, Carbon Hill, and Simmerton. Other locations impacted: Shanahan State Park, Chicagoland Speedway, Route 66 Raceway, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, University of St. Francis, Will County Fairgrounds, Interstate 80 between mile markers 123 and 140, Interstate 57 between mile markers 324 and 329, Interstate 55 between mile markers 222 and 251, Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 4. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.